How I would start making $1,000 per month online in 30 days as a beginner. If I had to start from zero today, no audience, no money, no connections, and my goal was to make $1,000 per month online within 30 days, this is exactly what I would do. First, let's be honest, making $1,000 online in 30 days is possible, but it's not passive at the beginning. You will need focused effort. The mistake most beginners make is trying 10 different things at once. That doesn't work. If I had only 30 days, I would focus on one simple model. Offer plus traffic. Money online is simple. You need something to sell, and you need people to see it. That's it. Step 1. I would choose a simple service-based offer. Not dropshipping, not complicated automation. A skill-based service. Why? Because services pay faster. Instead of waiting months for ads or algorithms, you can get paid immediately. Examples: short-form video editing, thumbnail design, content writing, social media management. Even simple tasks like posting content for small businesses, you don't need to be an expert. You need to be better than someone who doesn't want to do it themselves. For this plan, let's say I choose short-form video editing for YouTubers and small brands. Short videos are in massive demand. Every business wants TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Step 2. I would learn the basics fast. Not for months, 3 to 5 days maximum. I would watch tutorials, practice on sample clips, and create 3 strong example videos. These are my proof. You don't need clients yet. You need samples. Step 3. I would create a simple offer, not complicated. Something clear like, I will edit 30 short-form videos for $300. That's it, simple, specific, result-focused. Now let's do the math. If I want $1,000 per month, I only need 4 clients paying $250 each. Or 3 clients paying $350. That's not a crazy number. That's achievable. Step 4. I would focus heavily on outreach. This is where most people fail because they're scared. I would message at least 30 to 50 potential clients per day. You can find them on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Small creators, coaches, local businesses. The message would be simple and direct, short introduction. Compliment something specific about their content, offer value, show one sample. Ask if they want help scaling their short-form content. Most people won't respond. That's normal. If 100 people see your message, and 5 respond, that's good. If to become clients, that's real money. Step 5. Once I get my first client, I over-deliver. Fast turnaround, clean edits, clear communication. Then I ask for a testimonial. Testimonials increase trust and make closing the next client easier. Now here's where scaling begins. Instead of staying stuck at $300 per client, I improve my offer. I package it better. Maybe I offer content strategy with the editing. Maybe I add caption writing. Maybe I include thumbnail suggestions. Now I can charge $500 per client. With just 2 clients at $500, I'm already at $1,000 per month. At this point, if I want to make it more passive, I would systemize, create templates, save presets, use AI tools to speed up editing. Eventually, I could even outsource some of the editing and keep the profit margin. But notice something important. I did not start with passive income. I started with active income that can become semi-passive later. That's the smarter path now. What if you don't want to offer services? The second option I would use is affiliate marketing with short-form content. I would pick one niche, for example, AI tools, productivity apps, or online business software. I would create one TikTok account or one YouTube Shorts channel focused only on that niche. Post 1 to 3 short videos per day, educational, quick tips. Clear call to action, link in bio with affiliate links. Short-form content grows faster than long-form when starting from zero. If just a few videos go viral, you can generate consistent traffic, and traffic means commissions. But again, consistency is everything. 30 days of focused posting. Not 3 days, not 1 week, 30 days. The real secret to making $1,000 per month online in 30 days is not some hidden hack. It's focus and volume. Focus on one model. Do high-volume outreach or high-volume content. Improve daily. Most beginners fail because they quit after 7 days. They expect instant results. Online income rewards consistency, not excitement. If I had to summarize the plan, it would be this. Choose one skill-based service, create 3 samples. Reach out to 30 to 50 prospects daily. Close 3 to 4 clients, deliver excellent work. Raise prices, systemize, that's it, no magic, no hype, just execution. $1,000 per month online is not about being lucky. It's about solving real problems for real people. If you're serious, don't just watch this video. Take one action today. Pick your offer, start learning. Send your first 5 messages before the day ends. And remember, the first $1,000 online changes your mindset forever. After that, scaling becomes a strategy, not a dream. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Smart Income Hub for practical online income strategies that actually make sense, more focused, more realistic, more actionable. Now the question is simple. Are you going to scroll or are you going to start?